In the wave of intelligence, how to achieve accurate identification, efficient tracking, and seamless data transmission. Beisit's RFID technology provides new solutions for various industries. In smart manufacturing, Beisit's RFID is the core tool for production management. Each pallet is embedded with RFID tags, and the reader/writer collects process progress information in real time. It supports data update and reuse, saving customers 20% of production material costs every year. Reduce costs while achieving digital management of the entire process. In the field of rail transportation, Beisit's RFID provides guarantee for train positioning, maintenance, and driving safety. The UHF reader has an IP67 protection level and can operate normally in extreme temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. It can also position accurately with an error of less than 5 centimeters, bringing revolutionary improvements to traffic dispatch. In the logistics industry, Beisit's RFID has upgraded the efficiency of large volume sorting. Our readers support a read rate of 150 times second and easily identify multiple tags with an accuracy of up to 99%. Customer feedback shows that sorting time has been shortened by 50% and operating costs have been significantly reduced. Beisit's RFID equipment has both high performance and high reliability. With its excellent reading ability, the reading distance of UHF tags can reach 20 meters, providing more possibilities for remote monitoring. It supports Modbus TCP, Canapen, and other protocols, easily connect with mainstream systems to achieve high efficiency and compatibility. Adopt IP67 industrial-grade protection design with the characteristics of high temperature resistance, waterproof, and dustproof, and can operate stably in various harsh environments. At the same time, it has passed multiple international certifications, such as FCC, CE, ROHS, etc. To ensure product quality and safety, comprehensively improve the efficiency and accuracy of industrial identification. At present, enterprises are facing the challenges of efficiency improvement and refined management. In fields such as manufacturing, logistics, and transportation, RFID technology has become a key driving force. Beisit's RFID helps you control the future with its leading technology and reliable performance.